How to add a home button on iPhone. To add a home button on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to make primary changes. From here, you need to scroll down to the Accessibility option. Then, tap on it. Now, here you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features. Then, go to the Touch option and tap on it. After that, go to AssistiveTouch. Now, make sure the AssistiveTouch option is turned on. It allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Now, minimize the application and tap this floating button on your screen. From here, you can access all the basic settings of your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a home button on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.